Moana Numo and a Belle Numo.
Because.
Woo! The grand finale, the castle.
Because no, guys, mine. That's Lucy.
And it lights up.
I'm gonna go set this up. Whoa.
Woo!
Then why is the table on the top? Oh, because we've got to lift the insert out.
Spin it around. Oh, teamwork makes the. Oh. Ah, sit and slide that out of the way.
Wow, look at that.
Woo!
Go sit there.
That is so cool.
That can be your accessory.
Accessory, what the accessory?
Anyone want to buy this toy?
Hey, let's go set it.
Woo! It's real life toy. So we'll finish So we're going to finish getting the rest of them out, and we will show you it in its full glory out of the packaging. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's out the box.
Ooh.
So
Turn the castle around so I can have a look.
I don't
Whoa!
know how to open the back.
Must open somehow, mustn't it? Hold on, is there a button or anything? So it's unboxed. And at the back here, you have some transportation locks. All you have to do is pull them out from underneath there. So I'll quickly show you one. Click that there and pull that out like so. It disappears from the top, from there too. So that is now free to open. You ready, girls? Yeah. You'll see what that's for now, Lace, when you in a minute. Pull that open. Monorail.
Where did my monorail?
Show us the monorail, Lace. Watch out of the way. Right now, yeah, and then if you press that little button that was by Lily's hand, where she just was, it spins.
So guys, I need to show you something. Look.
Woo, monorail.
And look in the middle.
Yeah, what does that button press there? Whoa, drop slide.
Ready? What do you feel on it?
Woo,
And guys,
this castle is so good.
You know
Woo, it's a party in the castle. Woo. Woo, party. Party in the pop century.
Guys, if you're wondering why, are you wondering why I have a plaster on the back of my leg?
Yeah, they're wondering why.
Because Daddy scratched me and I was about to bleed.
Oh my gosh.
You?
No way.
Mickey's gonna go inside and tell you what. Guys, watch this. No one get on this bed. Or you'll get smashed.
Going down. Well done.
There's a trick sequence.
The dumbbell ride goes up and down. That's so cool.
Oh, just go forward.
Woo!
Okay.
You like that, Donald? You like that, Daisy?
5, 3.
Woo! And that leads us to the end.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys! Bye guys!